Hello, traders. Today is Friday, June 27th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So I wanted to leave my Fibonacci retracement on the 1 hour time frame from here to here because every single day I come on here and I say, if we're down, I'm looking for one, two, three-way pullbacks to go short. I'm looking for one, two, three-way pullbacks to go short. What happened first thing this morning? One, two, three-way pullback, Fibonacci bounce and golfing move to the downside to go short. Very, very, very clear entries, to be honest with you. Going up to the daily time frame, which I'm gonna get rid of this on the daily. Hold on, there we go. Going up to the daily time frame, my next big area of support is actually the 78% Fibonacci retracement, which is still a long ways down. And there's no break of structure on the daily to the upside. There's no engulfing move to the upside on the daily. The daily is down, the weekly is down, the monthly is down. What does that mean? That means that I will definitely continue to look for shorts on the 1 hour. I definitely would not be trying to go short here. I would only be going short on three-way pullbacks. Unfortunately, the strategy for me right now on the dollar Swiss is to either be waiting for an exit that you potentially already entered up here, or the strategy would to be wait patiently for another three-way pullback, another Fibonacci bounce, another engulfing move to the downside for another sorting opportunity. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.